Welcome, Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today, I'd like to speak about a will and whether or not you can disinherit a child. So yesterday, I briefly mentioned that you can disinherit a child inside of your will. I want to explain a little bit further. Before I do that, if you would like to make an appointment, please go to callfrankbruno.com. So, as I mentioned yesterday, you can disinherit a child in New York. So if a person has no will, well, then the laws of intestacy will provide for spouse and children. If a person has a spouse and children, right? Now, if you have a will, you can intentionally disinherit a child. Just briefly, if you didn't see yesterday, I said in New York, you cannot disinherit a spouse. There's the right of election. But a child can be disinherited. So really, there should be an explicit direction where you say something along the language of state your name, intentionally do not provide for my child with the name of the child. And the reason you want to explicitly state that you don't want to provide for that child, I have a paragraph in my will that I include. That's so that in the future, there is not the misapprehension or belief that you inadvertently left out that child, right? So that's why we have to specifically declare the name and state out. So if you would like to speak to me about your specific situation as to why you might want to do that, and you don't even have to give me the why, although it will come up in conversation. You just have to tell me what you would like in your document, and I go about legally providing for your wishes. If you would like to make an appointment, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Thank you.